Hello everyone. So I know you all remember the hot tub building and so forth. Well, it didn't muster the winter that good and I didn't manage to get a heater in it, so now it is, 4 square feet of ice. And I'm really hoping I didn't crack the bottom of the tub because there's no liquid in this. So, this is going to be trying to thaw this out. I got some salt and I got a hose and I don't know. I'm going to try and put water in it and see what happens. And, what we can do. So stay tuned. Yeah, load. Alrighty, so I carved a hole with the hose and I put the heater, I think you can see it, yeah. So I put the heater in the hole and we're just going to let it do its thing. Hopefully it'll just carve a hole down inside. It's supposed to be a little bit more submerged, which I don't kind of like, but so I thawed out the 4-foot chunk block of ice. It is unfortunately 100 degrees in there, but it looks like tea. So I gotta dump this, clean it, and we're gonna refill this sucker and get back in here. It's still pretty cold out. We've got the Lola dog waiting for squirrels out there, and radar's running around somewhere, but yeah, give you a quick spin around now that the sun's out. It's actually really pretty, but there he is. But it's only 20. So yeah, I'm going inside now, and you guys have a great day. I'm gonna get this hot tub running.